What I want to do is take a couple seconds to explain how the themes of today work. Here we have one theme. You can refer to it as the Callias theme. The theme, this would be where the logo would go. Most of the time, the logos nowadays are simple text with an image, a small icon image to represent the company logo. All of the themes that we have can be utilized as a shopping cart. Here you can see where there is actually the My Cart, and there's the capability of making them into multiple languages. You have the main navigation bar, which is up here, and that can be any way you want. You can have as many main topics as possible. You do want to try and keep it within this space over here. They all usually have a support option. Some of them will have it, I'm sorry, a search option. Some will have the support, and some will have login also. Now, this main image that you see over here is known as the slider. The slider is normally composed of 3, maybe 4 different images that usually relate to the specific types of services that you offer. Normally, what we like to do is the first image will represent your company's name. Your logo would appear here again, a description of your company name, and your tagline. That isn't in cement. If you don't want to do it that way, it can represent your first product. The slider will literally go ahead and slide by itself. It's automatic, and each image should be about 1250 pixels wide. So it needs to be a nice size image because, you know, this again is standing out in bold. When you do give us the images, we also need to know, what kind of text you want written over here. You're only using a couple of words in each instance, but you want to make sure that it's direct and to the point. Usually underneath the slider, there's some type of call to action where they can sign up for your newsletter, sign up for information, sign up for a particular book that you might give them, something to get them to join. Then as you scroll down, each template has different modules or different components over here. This, with the click of a button, can be removed, and then the next one in line could be this one, or vice versa. Each one of these sections has its own purpose. In your mind, you might want these 3 to represent 3 of the common services that you offer, or 3 products, or 3 different types of projects that you might run. You could just as easily have 6 or 9. They're broken down into 3, so if you try and make it 2, it's going to look a little bit funny. So, you want to flow with the format of the theme. So with these, basically you have it where, when you mouse over it, it's highlighting a nice red box. You have the option to read more. Here's a little bit of description about what's, pertains to this particular section. Here again, this could describe like 3 of the services that you offer, or one could be about your company, one could be about your service, one could be about why do business with you. You can use your imagination. And again, you could say, okay, I don't want this one at all, and boom, it's gone. Here's recent works. This is great. You can see how you have the arrow where someone could flow through all of the different projects or all of the different jobs that you've done. And when they click on that, they can see information about that job. They can see a video. They can see photos, things along those lines that really help to emphasize, that job maybe from the start to the finish. Here's another little section. You can use your imagination about what you want there. Here could be the different reasons why they should, choose business or do business with you. You can see again, this is broken up into 4 and 4. So you could just have 4 if you want to, but if you have 3, then you're going to have the blank spot over here. So you want to try and think about how you can incorporate your business with the theme. Here, this represents latest posts. This theme actually moves the other articles to the side, which is really nice. Again, if you click on one of these, it will take you to that page where there's information, more posts, and things like that. So each one of them has a little bit of a different functionality, but again, they all kind of work the same way. Here's, a 2-section post. This one, you have it where you can drop down and it'll, expand the information. This could be like frequently asked questions about your business. Another section, here's, 4 more blocks over here. This could be your partners. As you can see, this one uses it for partners. Again, you could just use this for recent jobs and have them click on it and go to it. And then this area is usually known as the footer. We like to put your company business information in there, things like this. This has some social media links and some social media links. So this is a sample of one of the templates that we like to use. Again, each one of the other templates flows in the same exact way. If we click on and we look at another one, this is called 3 Clicks Themes. There's 9 built-in demos over here. If you click on that, you can see how each demo will change the look mostly of the slider that you're looking at right here. This one, you can click on and see the pictures. So you can actually go through these and say, oh, I like the 3 Clicks theme and I like it with demo number 7, whichever one works for you. And again, you can see how they're moving in and out from the different ones. So again, it's the same thing. Here you have, your company logo, little image, your menu. You got it, and now you can see with this one, the menu kind of pops out as far as different sections, which are nice. You've got the call to action, and then again, you have those little sections that you can either decide to keep or delete, and literally you need to tell us what ones you want to keep, what ones you want to delete. Here's recent works. Again, you click on that, you can see the job. This could just as easily be a video over here that shows the work, our results, whatever, a little charter graph over here in text. So again, each one of these, you can play with them, you can pick what you like. Here's, our happy clients over here. Here's your map, and again, the footer. So that's another example of a template that we have. Here's another one. This is Jupiter. We use this quite a bit, kind of one that we like. This one could be about your services, and each service could, be broken down into different industries that you work with. Or it could be like this, where you can have, your business, your product, and your services, why do business with us, customer support. I mean, you can use your imagination with that. Search box. Again, these slides, if you wanted something like that, you would need to supply us with the images that would be sliding in and the text that you want to use. Here's 4 sections. This is kind of nice. We like this, where it has a video, of a small office. This is like a 10-second video. These links we've used in the past where we've actually had them go to social media sites. Like if you have Facebook, you have Twitter, you have YouTube, you have LinkedIn that people can go to. Here's a nice little slider show. This again could be your testimonials, or it could be past jobs that you've done, and someone would click on that and they would be able to see more information about that job, photos, images, things like that. Here's a nice little thing, happy clients. Here's a little text, and then you have each one of the happy clients over here, their logo, why they love you, another section, and a contact form, and a footer. So these are samples of some of the designs that we use. We do have other designs. Again, these are some of the best ones. They're so SEO friendly and help your site to get ranked, so they're ones that we do like to use. And that's it.